Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, first of all, I want to wish you a Happy New Year. It's 2021, and I hope that despite all the craziness been going on in the world, that 2020 was good for you. And if it wasn't, as far as business goes, in this video, I want to share with you the things that you really have to start focusing on and getting really good at. And I would even go so far as to say mastering in 2021 if you want to build a thriving business online. So what I want to share with you in this video, especially if you're new, because I deal with new people that are just getting started online all the time. And so what I want to share with you is the 3 things that you really have to be focusing on this year, any year. If you are trying to build a business online, you've got to be focusing on these 3 things like majorly. All right. So if you want to know what those 3 things are, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys and gals, before we get started, I just want to do a shout out to someone very, very special to me, and that is my mom. Hi, Mom. Okay, quick story. The other day, my mom and I were talking on the phone, and she's like, oh, by the way, can you please send me the link to your YouTube channel? I want to watch your videos. Now, I am an introvert by nature, and I'm very shy. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I get very embarrassed, for people to watch my videos, even though I know people watch my videos. But, it's kind of like that weird, I don't know, it's just weird. So I was like, oh, why do you want to watch my videos? And she's like, I want to see what you do, etc. So I was like, okay. So I gave her a link to my YouTube channel, and luckily, she gave me a pretty good score. She liked my videos. And so thank you, Mom, for watching. I just wanted to give you a shout out. I love you so, so much. And thank you, Mommy, for watching my videos. Okay. All right. So I just had to get that out of the way. I just wanted to give a little shout out to my mommy. So anyway, guys and gals, this is super duper important. And this is a question that I get all the time. I get people that sign up, or that they might be on a trial, and they're like, I need you to tell me exactly what to do. I need you to help me be successful. And I'll be honest with you, that is a huge, that's a huge ask for a sponsor, okay? Because you can't, there's not just one easy explanation for how to go from complete newbie to, getting results. It's not that straightforward. So it's just impossible, when someone asks someone who has experience, okay, tell me exactly what to do. That's impossible. That is just impossible to do, okay? So rather than even try to explain, see, the reason why it's impossible is because we're all different. I have a different personality. I have a different strength, a different gift, a different talent. Some people are good at video. Some people are good at blogging. Some people are good at paid advertising. Some people are high energy. Some people are low energy. Some people have a great work ethic. Some people have a terrible work ethic. So it's impossible. It's impossible for someone to tell you exactly what to do. But that being said, there is a framework, right? There's a framework that we should be working within. And I've spoken about this on my channel in the past, but I am going to reiterate that today, because as we get moving into 2021, if you want to, start getting results online, you have got to be focusing on these 3 things: building your audience, engaging with your audience, and selling to your audience. What happens with a lot of us when we're new is we want to skip the building and engaging and go straight to the selling. And we cannot do that. We have got to go from building the audience to engaging the audience to selling to the audience. So what does building an audience mean? Building an audience means that you are building awareness. People want to buy from people that they know, like, and trust, right? So you need to make people aware that you exist. And how do you do that? You do that through content marketing or paid advertising. That's free marketing versus paid marketing, right? So those are the main 2 ways to do it. And within those 2 ways, which is why it's impossible to kind of like tell you exactly what to do, you have to pick what's right for you. So let's say, for example, you want to go the free route, right, of how to start building the audience, well, you can do it through Facebook Lives. You can do it through what I do, which is YouTube videos. You can do it through, LinkedIn posts or Facebook posts or Instagram. It just depends on your personality and your strengths. Now, you can do the other way and you can do paid advertising, but paid advertising requires a different set of skills. You need to be able to know copywriting. You need to be able to know how to do follow-up emails. But the point is that you need to start building awareness. You need to start building a community or a group of people that know who you are, start to know, like, and trust you, and you start to build sort of like expertise or authority in their eyes. And all that means is that you know a little bit more than them. That's it. So you have the ability to teach on a subject that people want to learn more about, and you're just a few steps ahead. Okay. So that's how you start building the audience. The second thing is, you want to engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is kind of like what I'm doing now. I am sharing content. I'm getting people to get on my list. I'm following up with email. I'm creating blog posts, and then I share them with people, because the ultimate goal, obviously, is I want people to buy stuff, right? You want to sell stuff. You have to go through the process of leading up to that sale. There is a book by Gary Vee that says, jab, 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 hook. Jab, 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 hook. And what that means is you give value, you give value, you give value, and then boom, you ask for the sale. You give value, you give value, you give value, and then boom, you ask for the sale. So as you give value, you're writing articles, you're making videos, you're doing Instagram posts, all of them leading to them getting on your email list, because that is the main thing that you control, your email list, right? So as they start getting on your email list, well, now you are writing follow-up emails to them. You're inviting them to webinars. You're inviting them to presentations, so that then you can get to the next step, which is to sell to the audience. You sell to the audience after you've kind of established this trust with them. And if what you're selling is a match for a need that they have in their life at that moment, plus they know, like, and trust you, boom, then you have a sale. So it's not just as easy as get in, run a few ads, make some sales. It doesn't work that way. You have to remember, you have to build the audience, which is make people aware that you exist, and start to, most importantly, develop that know, like, and trust factor. Okay. Number 2, you have to engage with that list. Engage through webinars, engage through free training, engage on social media, engage through follow-up emails on your email list. And then number 3, sell to them. After you have given them that jab, jab, jab hook, that value, 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 boom, then you can ask for the sale. It is a process. That's why people say this is more of a marathon and it's not a sprint. Okay. So anyhow, this is just, the basic gist of it in a nutshell. If you want to dive a little bit deeper, I do have a free course called the 5-Day How to Sell Without Selling Challenge. And you can enroll for that at any time, absolutely free, at risebrandingacademy.com. All you have to do is enter your name and your email, and you will get 5 lessons every single day that go through the process of helping you understand this process, so you can start putting your internet marketing ducks in a row. And I also have some free training about building your audience, engaging your audience, and selling your audience. I will have that linked for you right below this video in the description box. So make sure to check that out. So if you're more on the newish side and you want to have results online, you have got to focus on those 3 things. Build your audience, engage your audience, and sell your audience. And then from there, as you put more content out there, as you do more follow-ups, as you engage more people, as you start selling more, now you have results where you can multiply and scale those results and get bigger and bigger and bigger as you go. So hopefully this video helped you. Again, if you want to go ahead and check out my Rise Branding Academy, go through my 5-Day How to Sell Without Selling Challenge, all you have to do is go to www.risebrandingacademy.com, and I will have some also additional free training for you inside of my description box right below this video. All right, guys and gals, well, I hope that video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.